Hi, we're making a film about Welsh speakers and learners from different countries supporting their team in the Rugby World Cup. Now here's what you need to do. First, think about what you want to say in Welsh. The premise of the film is that you support your own team, but you also want Wales to do well. You don't have to write it down, but it would be good to think it through before you film. Second, find the jersey of your team. Then, find a friend, a member of the family, or a stranger if you're up for adventure, to film you. Find a solid colour background. Tell your camera person to hold the phone vertically. Stand at least 1 metre away from the background. Leave room on both sides of the shoulders so we can see your hands and arms if you move them.
Bydd Cymru yn ennill Cwpan y Byd! Yeah!
Leave enough headspace on top. Have a couple of takes. Watch them, make sure what you say is perfectly comprehensible. If you're not happy, film again, choose 2 of the ones you like and send them to us.